recently saw this video and it just made me want to share my scalp journey and my shampoo horror stories. So I struggle with eczema. I have it all over my body, including my scalp. It makes my skin very dry. So I thought, oh, my scalp is dry. I need a hydrating shampoo, a soothing shampoo, or a moisturizing shampoo. Well, I definitely didn't need that because all the ingredients in those shampoos stay behind on your hair. They just layer and layer and layer, which then your scalp can't breathe. So it was only making my eczema worse. Then I found Color Wow's Color Security Shampoo. The shampoo is 100% clean. The only thing it promises to do is clean your hair and scalp, which isn't that what we want from a shampoo? Everything in this shampoo rinses off your hair. It leaves nothing behind like those other thickening, conditioning, moisturizing shampoos do. It is safe for color treated hair and it leaves your scalp so clean. My eczema has never thanked me more than when I started using this shampoo. So if my story sounds a little familiar to you, try the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo next time.